RIWA, a Real-Time Integrated Weld Analyzer, has an innovative ultrasonic transducer built into the shank, allowing measurements to be taken during the formation of the nugget. One universal transducer is able to measure different types of metals and required sizes of nuggets. A remote module is installed on the robot approximately 2 to 3 meters away from the electrode. All information can be stored on a local PC or on a network location that connects multiple robots equipped with RIWA. The operator is able to see this data in real time and analyze the depth of the nugget formation on each plate of the welded metal. RIWA uses an artificial intelligence software trained to detect spot weld patterns. The system can be fine-tuned in order to stop the welding process if too many bad welds are created. Implementation of this technology can significantly reduce the requirement of destructive testing, reducing the cost and time for quality analysis. The average return on investment for one RIWA system is 4 to 6 months. RIWA allows for quality control of 100% of welds in real time without the influence of human error.